Hi everyone, let's solve problem 201 from the USSR Olympiad problem book. It states, find the remainders upon dividing the polynomial shown by x minus 1 and by x squared minus 1. So for both parts, let us let p of x denote the polynomial in question. And for part A, we need to divide p of x by x minus 1. When we do that, we get a quotient polynomial. Let's call that q of x, and we get a remainder. Now the remainder must have a smaller degree than the divisor, and for part A, the divisor has degree 1. So the remainder must have degree 0, which means it's constant. So we can write p of x equal to some quotient q of x times our divisor plus a constant remainder that we'll call r. Now I'm going to take this identity and let x equal 1. I'll get p of 1 equals q of 1 times 1 minus 1 plus r. But you can easily compute p of 1 using the polynomial at the top here, and you'll get 6. And since 1 minus 1 is 0, the right-hand side is simply r. So the remainder requested is the constant polynomial 6. For part B, we need to divide p of x by x squared minus 1. Let's say we do that, and we get a quotient, again I'll call it q of x, and we get a remainder, but this time the remainder must have a degree smaller than 2, the degree of the divisor. So it has the form, let's call it ax plus b. Okay, and what I'm going to do with this equation is again let x equal 1. And I find out that 6 is equal to a plus b. But I can also let x equal negative 1 in this equation to gain some useful information. And I arrive at this result. You can easily compute p of negative 1, looking back up here at the definition of p of x. We see that all the terms are odd powers of x. So when you let x equal negative 1, every term is negative 1. And p of negative 1 we find out is negative 6. So we get negative 6. Negative 1 squared minus 1 is 0. So the left-hand side is negative 6 and the right-hand side is negative a plus b. Well, we can take equation 1 and equation 2 that we just discovered and add them together. So the left-hand sides add to 0, the right-hand sides add to 2b. That implies that b is equal to 0, and if you substitute that into, let's say, equation 1, that implies that a is equal to 6. So the remainder is ax plus b, which we now know is 6x. Thanks for watching the video.